Hello again, Herman Miller enthusiasts. Welcome to our second video in the Embody series, where we show you tutorials of the best practices to replace and repair the parts of this signature brand. Today, we are going to show you how to replace the back without any previous experience. Let's get into it. Start by removing the spine tension control. This needs a bit of force, so it's advised to get someone to help you holding the office chair. Unbolt the 4 bolts in the back. The 2 small bolts in the red circles are connected to the spine and mechanism, while the 2 big bolts in the yellow circles are connected to the seat. Now, remove the old back. It's essential to make sure that those clips stay in place so they won't get lost. If you can't find them here, they might be here. Mount the new back. Insert the spine tension control into the back. It's advised to use a rubber hammer to force it in. Finally, bolt the big and small bolts back. This can't get any easier. We have plenty of other videos in the Herman Miller Embody series. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and visit our website, OfficeLogixShop.com, for our extensive range of replacement parts.